Hi everyone. So let's move forward with our logical operators concept. What does this mean? So basically you're comparing out two or more than two conditions. In that condition, we are going to get the Boolean result. Okay. So and or not, these are the three operators performed while you're going to just make the comparison logically. Okay. So these are and is used when both of the conditions are true or is executed at least one condition is satisfied. That means one condition is true and not it just reverses the condition. Let's move forward with our Visual Studio Code. Okay, and let's just see the execution part of and or not, right? So I'm just going to get here the let's say I'm going to get here the marks variable, which would be an integer kind of. Let's say I'm assigning here the integer marks as 75. I'm again assigning my age variable here, let's say 15 here. Okay, and I'm just going to give here some certain if condition. Let's say my marks are greater than 70. Okay, and operator here we are going to use, and age would be, let's say, greater than 16, right? Let's say greater than equals to 50. Okay, just for basic understanding. And I'm just going to print out my system.out.print. Okay, so for just for basic understanding, I'm printing out for now only ABC, right? So just changing out the logic again for not. Let's just change out, and here let's just edit the or. Okay, so what is the condition for this getting or? Let's just change the value to 90, and age, let's make it smaller than 16. Okay, let's take it 15. And what would be the condition for our not operator? Let's just check it out. Okay, so here we are going to just get the marks as smaller than 50. Okay, so here we are going to use the exclamation. Okay, and we are going to just print out here as C and here as B. Our both of the conditions are actually true, if you would notice. Let's just save and try to run it. Why it's giving us C? Let's just check it out. So I have given here and or not. Okay, let's just check here. 75 marks are given. Okay, if marks are greater than 70, okay, or is age is like 70, it's greater than 70, right? So it should okay, and age should be greater than equals to 16. So this is false condition, right? Else you can just see the or part. So marks is greater than 90, which is not right, and age is smaller than 50, which is again if I'll just give here equals to, see, okay, hold on. You will save and you will get the response. So we are getting here, which is again true. That's why we are getting B, and this is like no, marks are not greater smaller than 50. Okay, which is of course true. That means marks are greater than 50, right? That's why we are getting C printing here. I hope you guys understood the concept of and or not, right? So this is what concept of logical operators. Thank you.